Hey, Cash. No, you gotta sit back.
No, I don't want
Here, you want to do this so that way you can see yourself? Don't get too close to the camera. Okay, what do you want to say? We're making a video for Pop Pop. Oh, here comes the crazy walker. You guys are a little close.
I want to sit here.
Woo! Yo, Caves.
I'm going to turn it around.
Okay. Go ahead.
I'm going to lick yourself.
No, say something nice. Don't be weird in the camera. Quit being weird. Why don't you say a nice message to Pop Pop? No, that's not a nice message. Say hi, Pop Pop.
Hi, Pop Pop. I'm watching Netflix going.
You're such a rascal.
Pathin is over there.
Why are you being so silly?
Palaba.
Here, go sit by Evie.
I can't. I'm stuck.
Hi, Jingle Bear.
I got a.
Come on over. Ah! Uh-oh. There's the Jingle Bear. Okay. You want to say one more thing to Pop Pop? We're going to send this to Mima also. Why don't you say hi to them? And then we'll send it.
Hi, Mima and Papa. I'm sending Evie a balaba.
Really? That's what you want to send in your video? No real English?
No. I see. What?